Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make omelette pav. First, ensure all your ingredients are prepped. You'll need 2 fresh eggs, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions, and 1 small minced green chili. Don't forget your essential spices, a pinch of red chili powder, a dash of turmeric, and salt to taste. Finally, have 2 soft pav buns ready. Getting everything organized beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable for this delicious street food. Now let's get cooking. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add your chopped onions, green chilies, and all the spices. Whisk everything vigorously until the mixture is light and airy. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, pour in the egg mixture, spreading it evenly. Cook for about 2 minutes on one side, allowing it to set beautifully before flipping. After 2 minutes, carefully flip the omelet and cook the other side for just 1 more minute, until it's golden brown and fully cooked. While the omelet finishes, slice your pav buns horizontally, almost all the way through. Lightly toast the inside of the buns on the same pan for extra flavor. Once done, gently fold the hot omelet and place it snugly inside the warm, toasted pav buns. This creates the perfect base for our delicious snack. To elevate your omelette pav, garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and a squeeze of lime juice for a zesty kick. Serve your hot omelette pav immediately, perhaps with a side of tangy mint chutney or classic tomato ketchup. This simple yet satisfying dish is perfect for a quick breakfast or a delightful snack. Remember to check the description below for links to other great deals and to learn more about portable e-readers, perfect for enjoying your favorite books on the go. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.